Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial from restoration.bike. My name is Johan, and in today's video I'm going to fix loose handlebar grips. These are old grips. They're not that loose, but because I have grip shifters, they do tend to move, and that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use hairspray. You don't need to clean the handlebar after you've removed the grips, per se. And these are rubber grips. Hard grips, old grips might be glued on, and the glue hardens and just doesn't work anymore. These older grips don't work anymore because they lose their tightening power. So first off, is to get the grips off. And the next thing you want to do is to put in the hairspray. The hairspray is liquid at first, so getting the grips back on when you've put some hairspray in there is very easy to do. And as the liquid dries, the glue stays, which will make the grip stay in its proper place. So here goes the second one, and that's it. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I post regularly, and give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. I wish you all the best with your own bike restorations and bike repairs. And I'll see you on the next movie.